Hello everyone. We're still dealing with scattered light to moderate snow showers across southern Wisconsin early this morning. So some gaps in the activity, but I will say a little bit more likely that you will encounter some light to moderate snow driving to work or school this morning. So because of that, some snow-covered roads, some reduced visibility, though again, no heavy snow out there. Not a bad idea this morning to give yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work or school. I just always think anytime we're dealing with scattered snow showers, always better to be on the safe side. Probably will be incident-free, but you know how it goes. Sometimes it doesn't take much for an accident to pop up, and then things can really slow down. So we'll be on the safe side and give yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work or school. I will say that the best chance of snow is early this morning. So we're not going to be dealing with the scattered light to moderate snow showers for much longer. I do think by 11 a.m. this morning we will have transitioned to just isolated snow showers across the area. So notice even more gaps showing up. High temperatures today are going to be in the upper 20s, low 30s, very reasonable for this time of year. I do have to mention though, a breezy day, gusts around 20 miles per hour. So mainly only feeling like the mid 20s and the upper 20s. So a little bit of a wind chill factor today because it's going to be breezy. Now by 2 o'clock this afternoon, I think we're going to be limited to flurries and only in the eastern half of the area. So I'll still mention the chance for flurries around 2 o'clock for Madison and areas east, but west of Madison, I think done with the snow by 2 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, so homebound commute, I think we'll be done with flurries in most locations, and still got to mention the most eastern part of the area. Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, still a chance of flurries there. But finally, by 7 o'clock this evening, no more flurries to be found. But guess what? We're not going to be dry for very long. The snow is going to come back. All right, so this is 7 o'clock this evening. Now we're going to skip a bunch of time to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And here we go. The snow coming back to the northwestern part of the area. And we're looking at another window with scattered snow showers working across southern Wisconsin as an area of low pressure works over us. So 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's back to the scattered snow showers. Now I do think the period of scattered activity is going to be during the morning hours tomorrow. So 8 a.m. for the early morning hours, it looks like the activity is going to be focused over the western half of the area. By the late morning, it's going to be focused over the eastern half of the area. And by 2 o'clock, I do think this is going to be a fast moving system, done with the snow. So really focused during the morning hours, more in the western half of the area, early morning hours, and more in the eastern half of the area, late morning hours, all coming to an end by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Now, between the snow that we're going to see today and the snow that we're going to be seeing mainly during the morning hours tomorrow, we're not talking about a lot. So most of us are going to see a tenth of an inch, a quarter of an inch, a half an inch, maybe some getting up to 3/4 of an inch. But that is going to be at all snow totals less than an inch. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Looks like a repeat of today. We're talking about, once again, upper 20s, low 30s, but it does look like even more wind tomorrow than today. We're talking about wind gusts around 30 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. So feels like temperatures tomorrow afternoon no warmer than the low 20s.